Hello, my dear students. Do you know that most of us don't lose marks because we don't know the ideas? No, we lose marks because we don't represent it clearly on the paper. We skip steps. I will give you some examples and show you how to avoid this critical mistake that is actually the sucker of your marks. Here's the problem. Follow me. X square minus 9 divided by x minus 3. Now look here. If you skip the steps, you might conclude that its answer is x plus 3, which is definitely wrong. Now I solve it. Students actually jumps directly to the answer. This is a mistake, a very serious mistake. Now, and examiner doesn't see how you simplified. You didn't show him the method of simplification. So what's the correct chain of steps? I tell you now. Here first you need to factorize this numerator. This one, it's called numerator. The expression on the top is called numerator. So I will factorize it applying the formula two squares and a minus between them. So it is equal to x plus 3, 1 time plus and 1 time minus between these terms. Okay, now write it here on the top. X plus 3 and x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. Okay, so now it's clear that this expression is cut by this one. Okay, we can cut it now. And the remainder is 1. Obviously, we don't write it. So the answer is x plus 3. And you must write in the bracket that x is not equal to 3. X is not equal to 3, as here you can see if x is equal to 3, then the denominator becomes 3 minus 3, it becomes 0. And the fraction with 0 denominator is undefined. Okay, so here the most important line is that one extra step in the question, in the solution, shows you method and protects your marks. Okay, now come to the next problem. Here I tell you. The next problem or the question is 2x minus 3 is equal to 10. Now if you skip steps, what will you write? You'll write here x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 5, or x is equal to 5, just like that. So both are wrong, not correct. Now the correct procedure is, now look carefully, what's the correct solution? You multiply 2 inside the bracket with each term, so it becomes 2x minus 6 is equal to 10. So 2x is equal to, here I move 6 to the other side, to the right side, it becomes 6 plus 10. It becomes positive. 6 becomes positive, it's equal to 16. Okay, so if you divide now 2 on both sides, you will show it. You should show it here. Now cut it here. It's clear now, and the clarity wins marks actually. So here x is equal to 8. So what's the key idea? That skipping steps leads to the wrong answers and not just lost marks. Okay, now come to a trigonometry problem. Here is 1 minus sine square x divided by sine x. Oh, no, no, no. It's cos square x divided by sine x. And if you skip steps, you might write here sine x, which is right, but the answer might be correct, but the justification is absent. You haven't shown him how you reached this answer, and he will deduct marks. He will deduct your marks, even if at home you might claim that I've done the question correctly. Yes, you have, but you skipped very important steps, and they require it. They require how you show, how you reach your answer. It's equally important. So here I will write. Now look, I will write here 1 minus cos square, because you know that cos square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. So 1, it's sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. It means that 1 minus cos square x is equal to sine square x. So now write it here. Sine square x divided by sine x, that is equal to sine x, and it's the correct answer. So the key idea is that if you solve it, then show all the steps. It's important. And particularly in trigonometry questions, show the identities here. Like these, this is an important identity. Show him that I am using this identity to reach the answer, to reach the conclusion, or to prove a certain equality. Okay, so skipping steps is a serious error. Avoid it and subscribe our channel. I will give you more important and beneficial videos. Thank you.